Dr. Comer. I'm the husband of Kelsey Lynn Graff Comer, and she wanted me to describe a little bit about what I do in terms of adjustments with pregnancy. And is that safe? Is it something you should do? Is it, you know, everyone's a little different on how they approach their pregnancy and what things they keep in mind. So the answer to your questions is probably yes. It is very safe to get adjusted while pregnant, and making sure you go to someone that has some experience with that. I've adjusted Kelsey through all 3 pregnancies now. I've seen patients for years and years that have come over for midwives, doulas, and the feedback I get over and over again is, one, their pregnancy seems to be a lot easier for them in comparison to other pregnancies they had without any type of care. So to break it down real simply, when you change your center of gravity by growing outward, can you show us?
I'm sorry, what?
As you grow outward.
Oh, sorry, I'm moving the table too.
Put a lot of strain, lumbar spine. A lot of times the sciatic nerve starts to fire up. You may even notice a little bit of contracture in the mid-back as the chest begins to enhance during the whole pregnancy. So
the whole point was to bring you back here. So
what we're going to do, I'm going to show you a little bit of treatment that I do with Miss Kelsey here. And
you too. Our girls are doing Snapchat over here in the corner.
But should be very gentle. It should be very safe. All right. Clowns. Living with clowns.
Okay, so not all tables are created equally. So he can explain this one.
Yeah, it's got a little tummy drop. So if I have someone who's early on in pregnancy, or as long as this position's comfortable for them to get into, we're good. Okay?
All right. Once there's going down, now I'm not sure I can get up.
So not a lot of moms can handle this position.
It's the only time I get to lay like this.
But if they can, they're going to love it because they can't go face down very often. So this will be a good time for them to kind of take some stress off of the spine and be in a different position here. Cool. So while in this position, we have a couple different things we can do here. One will gently go right through the thoracic or upper back area. Nice and easy. We don't put a lot of pressure down. We don't want to go right over the baby. You know, obviously she's safe in this position. Sometimes I can do a light drop on the pelvis. So if she's getting a lot of sciatic pain to one side and there's some imbalance here, I can prop my table up and do a very light drop on this right side, just like so. So nothing aggressive. It needs to be a very gentle procedure here.
She felt that.
Would you come on up for me, Kelsey? I'm going to change the table so you can go on your side.
Are you going to do my shoulders or no?
Oh, yes.
Hello, it's my favorite one.
She does like this adjustment a whole great deal. So let's see if we can get that. That's it. Good. That's it. Okay.
It's like one of my favorites.
That's your favorite.
Okay. So let's do left side up. We'll do a light side adjustment so they can kind of see that one for the lower back. Then we'll go flat to your back. Do a little mid back work. So
I'm take my shoes off because they're going to fall.
Dress.
you can't adjust without.
I'm sorry. Shh. What?
Got it.
Just nice, light, gentle. It doesn't take much.
Nope. Okay. Yep.
Okay. Go flat on your back for me. So you're how far along now?
Really? 38 weeks and 5 days.
38.5. So sometimes people are worried if towards the end of their pregnancy they can't.
Look at that belly. I'm contracting right now.
Nice.
The foot, body. All right. Not sure if we should wait till that goes away.
Yeah, give it a second. Relax nice and easy. Ooh, yeah, definitely. Somebody's giving me cueing from the background.
Oh, that's good.
All right, so this is a lot of relief for the mid-back, right? So as the chest gets bigger and the shoulders round forward and you get into this position, you create a lot of stress right through the thoracic spine. So this adjustment can really help alleviate Go and tuck in toward me just a little bit. So we're going to bring her to the side just a little. Get right back through there. And go real nice and light. Nice and easy. That's good. And one more, just a little bit lower. That's it. Good. Awesome.
Yeah.
Any discomfort with that?
Just a big baby.
Yeah.
There's this thing in the way. No, actually, that's what got my med.
Good.
Do we need to move the camera so they can see?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good. So one of the cool things also, a lot of the moms will start talking about the relaxin hormone, which helps them prepare for the birth process. That also makes their adjustments happen very easily, very, very comfortably. Doesn't take a lot of effort, but you can take an amazing amount of strain off of the spine and body by just doing a nice little adjustment.
And now you can twerk it. No, don't
And
do
you can
that.
This is great. Very good.
Especially with how my back's been feeling. All right.
Great. So it's just one addition to the many things that she's done during this pregnancy. Obviously, you've seen her doing the squat challenge, the whole 30, a lot of different things we're doing, but it's all in an effort to make this process happen more comfortably, more successfully, and very healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Comer. All right, guys, I just wanted to share before I had the baby, you know, this process, because this is another part of, you know, my weekly routine. I come in here and get adjusted, even when I'm not pregnant. Pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. Yeah. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and just know that, you know, it's safe and it works. And yeah, do I still have back pain and sciatic problems? Yeah, but nowhere near what it could be. So, but it's a well-rounded thing, you know. It's not just chiropractic care. It's not just working out. It's just I can't talk, dude. You guys are interrupting my brain waves here. Not just nutrition, but it's all of it combined, okay? And yeah, like I said, I just wanted to share this with you guys and kind of show you it's okay, it's safe, and make sure you guys, you know, find someone that knows what they're doing. But yeah, that's all I got for you. We're not squatting right now, but I do want to invite you guys to join me tonight. I'm going to do the last squat challenge with the class tonight with my fit family. So we're going to do it before class. I'm not staying for class, but we're going to get into our 280 squats tonight. So join me live. I think we're going to do about 6:15 p.m., which is Central Time. Okay? All right, well, thanks for joining us for a little chiropractic adjustment. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye.